Hello guys, welcome back to Creo Parametric. Today we are going to see topic number 22, unbending sheet metal geometry. Previously we have seen the sheet metal basics. Now today we will see the unbending sheet metal geometry. Okay. See, here are the steps that are given to do the unbending. Click on sheet metal, unbend, the unbend tab opens. Click automatic to automatically select all curved surfaces and edges. Or click manual to manually select individual curved surfaces and edges which you want to unbend actually. Okay. Now see, these are the steps that we are going to see in the Creo. Now see the difference. Unbending geometry after defining the view. Basically, by unbending, we have completely opened this sheet metal surface, right? Unbending geometry after defining the model. Use the unbend tool to unbend one or more curved surfaces such as bends or curved segments. Use the bend back tool to return unbent segments to their formed positions. You can manually select individual geometry or you can automatically select all geometry to unbend or to bend back. When you create an unbend or bend back feature, you must define a fixed planar surface or edge. Best practice is to select the same surface for all unbend and bend back features. You can save time and maintain consistency by setting at part level a fixed geometry reference for all unbend and bend back operations. Now see deformation areas. Deformation areas with blended boundaries. You can see deformation areas ripped out and deformation areas with sketch shape. Okay. Now deformation areas are sections of the model that bend in more than one direction or do not extend to the edge of the model. Use the deformation control tab of the unbend tool to specify treatment of deformation areas so that they can be unbent in preparation for manufacture. In general, all surfaces to be unbent must either have an outside edge or be adjacent to an area with an outside edge. The adjacent areas act as bridges between the undeveloped regions and a corresponding outside edge and allow the deformation to escape and the material to stretch. Deformation areas. Blend boundaries. Blends the boundaries of the deformation area with the adjacent part edges. Rips the deformation area out of the part. Sketch area. Sketches the flat shape of the deformation area. Converting solid parts. Solid to sheet metal conversion. See, here you can see a solid body. Okay, and it's a sheet metal part which I have unbended or flattened the surfaces. Now see, this is the procedure of converting solid parts. How to convert the solid part into a sheet metal part. This we will see in Creo. Creating a developable part. See, you can see the flattened view also here. Sheet metal drawings with flat states and bend order table. Sheet metal drawings with flat states and bend order table. See, going from these are the steps actually from where you can do this. So going to annotate tab, show model annotations. The show model annotation dialog box opens. Here you can see this flat status. With Creo elements or direct annotation, you can generate a flattened, unfolded view of a sheet metal part that has been designed in Creo elements or direct sheet metals, or in Creo elements direct modeling the material attribute attached. The flattened view can then be dimensioned in the usual manner. Information text is also attached to 2D elements in the flat view. See information text for details. You can also create a flattened view of multi-level sheet metal features such as stamps, punches, or user-defined features. For details, see controlling the information output to the flat. Creating multi-model drawings. Additional features. With every release, Creo introduces improvements to make design engineers more productive every day, including updates inspired by you, our customers. Creo now includes multi-body enhancements, including Boolean and split operations, as well as tools for reconstructing and reordering an assembly. And there are improvements to part modeling tools, including Sketcher, divide surfaces, holes, patterns, and freestyle. Calculating the developed length. Okay, so here in brief, in theory, we have seen some bullet points or few points about the sheet metal geometry, like unbending, flattening the surface and all. So now let's go to Creo and see some basics of sheet metals. Okay, Okay guys, now we are in Creo. Now let's go through few points that we have read in this theory section, like bending, unbending, converting the solid part into a sheet metal, then flat surfaces and all that. Okay, then let's go to new, go to our part, solid part, normal one, click on this. Okay, now let's click on extrude. Let's draw one very simple part, to first of all let's give a center line. That's okay. Let's draw one rectangle here. Okay, it's symmetric now. Let's make it 300 and here let's make it 50. Okay, cool. Now click on OK. Now see, this is the part. The extrusion is too much. Let's click on 50. Click on OK. Now see, we have made a simple extruded box in the solid modeling in art model. Okay. Now see, in this file there is operations. Okay, go to operations. You can see the last command, that is convert to sheet metal part. Click on that. Okay, now click on this surface. First of all, create a type. We want a shell type. Okay, you can see shell type thickness, it's too much. Let's give it 1 mm. Okay, and click on OK. Okay, so from a solid part we have made this sheet metal part. Now let's give it a look. Click on this conversion. Here you can see the option of edge rip, then edge bend. Obviously we have created this sheet metal part from a solid part, so we need to use this to convert it into completely sheet metal part. Click on this edge blend. Okay, placement obviously. Now click on the select items. Click on this edge, this edge, this edge. It's not showing us that edge. Click on OK. Now click on OK. Let's use this flat. See what is showing? It failed to generate also. Cancel this. Go to this conversion. Now use this edge rip. Click on this. Click on this. Click on this edge and this edge. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now it's converted. Let's use this unbend option. It's showing us the unbended view. See, now using this conversion we have completely used it to convert it into a sheet metal part. Like first of all we give the edge blend, and after that this. See, from here you can see, click on this bend back, click on OK. So this is how actually we can convert a solid part into a sheet metal part. Also this unbending, bend back, flat pattern, which actually mentioned in the theory of this session also. We have previously also seen it, and now also we have seen this, how to do this. Okay, thank you.